Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix audio and video out of sync in Windows 10 and 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go run command. For that you need to key Windows plus R key. Then type here mmsys.cpl. Then hit enter. Then right click on speaker, click on properties. Select here advanced. Here you should disable both option. Then click on apply. After that check your problem solved or not. If not, click on restore defaults. After that close this window. Go to the second method. After that go to the edit power plan. Then select here power option. If here select balance, you need to select high performance. Then close this window. After doing this last and final method, update your main audio driver. For that you need to open device manager. Then double click on sound, audio and game controller. This is our main audio driver. Select and right click. Click on update driver. After updating the driver, restart your PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix audio and video out of sync in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.